Hello there, it's Matt here from the Corporate Garage of ISS in Copenhagen on our mission to helping you become a great facilitator in the business. So I want to talk to you in this video a little bit about pitching. So no matter what we do at some point in innovation, we come up with, almost by definition, with something that's new and something that needs attention, that needs maybe investment. And so at some point we need to be very specific about what we're asking for. And that's what we call the pitch. We're pitching our idea to someone in the business, maybe someone with a budget, maybe someone in the customer's organization, maybe both. But we're pitching for something specific that we cannot do on our own. A great pitch sounds daunting, so we want to make it simple. The great pitch is all about getting the audience's attention and get them interested and make them trust that you know what you're talking about. That's the first thing. The second thing is to make them want to hear more. Those are the two things you want to achieve with your pitch. Make them believe that you know what you're talking about and want the listeners to engage and hear more, right? Then the rest is relatively easy. Also make sure that you put yourself into the mix, that you show your passion for what you're doing, and obviously that it holds together in a logical way. And maybe if you're working on an innovation that is not just about continuous improvement, maybe you want to emphasize that you're trying to make the world somewhat a better place than it was before. And crucially, don't forget the ask. Be specific about what you're asking for to further your idea. But don't go for the whole world. Just take it piecemeal, one step at a time. Make sure you're asking for someone that your investor or decider can actually say yes to as quickly as possible. And so those tools are in the box, and don't be afraid to reach out to the garage team if you want to have some help.